what's up everybody? It's your girl Krissy and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So, I hope that you're loving this fabulous makeup look, because if you do, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I was able to establish this look in minutes. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you're super uber excited, because guess what today is, you guys? Today is Makeup Monday, and I'm coming back with another one for Makeup Monday, you guys, giving you guys a nice flawless look. And I bet you guys are like wondering why I have this happy birthday on, because this week is my birthday. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna go to Vegas, I'm gonna party. So I found this cute happy birthday headband from Forever 21, you guys. It was only like $4.90. Like, it was so cute. I had to get it, so when I'm doing my hair, my makeup, I can wear it this whole week and be just like a princess, like happy birthday to me, you know? Like, so this is super fab. I'm gonna wear it the whole time, you guys. And you guys make sure, if you're not following me on my social media sites, you go follow me on Instagram _ Miss Krissy M, okay? And then on Snapchat, it's gonna be stylist K.Marie. All right, you guys, let's get into it now. All right, guys, so this past week I went to M.A.C. I haven't been to M.A.C. in a long time, you guys, and I picked up a couple of different things from M.A.C. I had a gift card and I wanted to utilize it. So one of the things that I picked up was this matte. It's like a finishing spray, you guys. Like, you can't even see it. But anyways, it's for oily skin. It's supposed to help keep the makeup in and not really come out if you do have oily skin with your foundation. I also went and I finally got some more concealer in C45. This is my favorite concealer, you guys, from M.A.C. I use it for my brows, as you see. It is so silky. I don't know if they just redid it or whatnot, but it feels silky now. It used to be really thick, maybe because I haven't gotten into the core of it all, but it's really good. If you guys are looking for a nice concealer to shape your eyebrows or do some type of, cut and crease with the eyes, that would be perfect for it. You guys, I also went in and I got this bold blue that I have been dying for and I've been wanting for the longest. So I'm going to use this blue today, mixed with a little bit of other colors. It's going to be a fun makeup tutorial. So you guys, I'm going to go in with my orange corrector and I'm going to correct my under eye and then any other spots on my face, because we don't want that to show through when we do our foundation. So this will help a lot with this, you guys. It'll help cover any dark circles if you have any, or any spots, just left over. Alright, you guys, next we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Concealer, you guys, and I'm going to put some of that up underneath my eyes just to go up under it. This one here, if you guys do have this one, which I'm pretty sure everybody in the world has it, this one is pretty much made to you just lightly pat it, because it's going to oxidize, almost like the Morphe foundation. It's going to oxidize and set into your skin. So you don't want to do too much of the blending and rubbing on your face. Literally, we're just going to take it and we're just Now we're going to start on the eyes first. I'm going to start on the eyes first, and then I'm going to work my way into my foundation. I've been finding it very easy and simple and faster for me to do my eyes first and then my foundation, because it just takes so long, you guys. So I'm going to be using the Day Slayer today. I'm going to be using more of the orange colors within this palette, and then I'm going to go in with my blue for my base. So you guys, we're just gonna kind of mix this all around and have a little fun today. All right, you guys, I'm gonna be using my Y20 eye brush from Morphe, and I'm actually gonna go with the lightest color, which would be this one right here, you guys. And we're just gonna go more in circular motion. We're just gonna do this, you guys, on both eyes until it gets a little bit dark enough, and then we're gonna go in with a blending orange to brighten it up some more. So. Alright, you guys, so that color that I used was actually called Upbeat. I'm going to go in now within the crease to give it a more brighter orange of a look on my eyes. So we're just going to tap that, because we want a more brighter, we want it to really pop, you guys. Now I'm going to go in with this. This is the blush, you guys. I'm gonna go in with this, it's called Warm Berry color. I'm just gonna lightly blend it in to the orange, just to kind of give me a nice sunset look. And then I'm gonna go back in with a more finer brush, much bigger brush, fluffier brush, to blend in more of that orange, more of a shimmer orange. So we're gonna do this, you guys. I'm just gonna lightly, this color is very powerful, you guys. So now I'm gonna go in with Glow, and I'm just going to go over it with this brush here. This brush, you guys, I got for Christmas for my little sister, so it doesn't really have a number. But this is more of a fluffier brush. It's a little bit more fuller. So I'm gonna take this Glow right here, and I'm just gonna work it into my transition color, you guys. And now I'm going to somewhat cut my crease and add the base color of my eye, which is going to be this pretty blue right here. And then we're going to top off the rest of my eyes, and then we're going to start on foundation. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with the blue. I'm super excited to be putting this on my face. I've never used blue, you guys, so this is going to be so fab. It's gonna be so fabulous. I'm gonna go in with that same fluffy brush, you guys, and I'm just going to blend it into my eye. Alright, you guys, so we're going to add the final steps to this makeup tutorial, and I bet you guys are wondering, like, why is her hair like this? Well, because you guys, I will be filming my next video for Trendy Tuesdays, tonight, and we're gonna upload, that one's gonna be uploaded as well on Tuesday. And so I had to go ahead and get my hair and stuff, how I was gonna do it for this one. This Tuesday is gonna be a good video. You guys need to stay tuned. This is gonna be a good one. All right, you guys, go in with a little bit of a nude lipstick because I do have color, you know, all over my face. I don't wanna go so bright, you know, with my lip today. I'm just gonna mute it and, you know, give it a little bit of a nude lip. All right, you guys, so that completes this makeup look. Yes. All right, you guys, so if you're new to my channel, first of all, go ahead and give me some thumbs up on these videos, you guys, as well as click the button on the side so you are alerted when I upload new videos, and also subscribe. Like, why would you not want to subscribe? After you see this video and see my other video and my whole channel, why would you not want to subscribe to my channel? All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.